Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll explore view-to-view animations in Flint UI Designer. View-to-view animation adds smooth transition effects when switching between screens, instead of moving directly from one screen to another. In this example, we have created two screens, Home and Music, and use a button widget to navigate between them. Let's begin by adding animations to the home screen. Now, for the home screen, right-click on the Animation tab, choose Add Animation, and select View. Enter the animation name, ID, and set animation type to 1:1. In the From View section, select Home Screen and the appropriate control. In the To View section, choose the music view file, and set the duration to 2000 milliseconds. Next, go to the animation editor. Right-click on Home Screen, select Add Transition and set the transition type to linear and transition change to alpha. Set the start value to 255 and end value to 0, and set the duration to 0 to 1000 milliseconds. This step adds a smooth fade transition between views by animating the view's opacity. When navigating from one view to another, the current view gradually fades out. Add another transition. Set the transition type to set value, and the transition change to visibility, and set the start value to 0, with a duration from 1000 to 2000 milliseconds. Now, in Animation Editor, move to Music screen. Right-click and add a transition. Select Set Value as the transition type, and Visibility as the transition change. Set the start value to 0 with a duration from 0 to 1000 milliseconds. Then, add another visibility transition with a start value of 1, and a duration from 1000 to 2000 milliseconds. This setup controls the visibility of the views during the transition, preventing the two screens from overlapping. Once that's done, add another transition. Select Linear as the transition type, and Alpha for the transition change. Set the start value to 0 and end value to 255. This time, set the duration to range from 1000 to 2000 milliseconds. Finally, we'll continue with the Music screen. Right-click on the Animation tab, add a 1:1 view animation, and enter the animation name and ID. Set From View to Music screen, and to View to Home screen, set the duration to 2000 milliseconds. In the Animation Editor, right-click on Music screen, add a transition, set the transition type to linear, transition change to exposition, with a start value of 0 and an end value of -800. Set the duration to 0 to 1000 milliseconds. Now, add another transition, set the transition type to set value, transition change to visibility, start value to 0 and the duration from 1000 to 2000 milliseconds. Lastly, right-click on the home screen, add a transition with set value as the transition type, and visibility as the transition change. Set the start value to 0 with a duration from 0 to 1000 milliseconds. Add a second transition by setting visibility to 1, with a duration from 1000 to 2000 milliseconds. Add a final transition with linear, alpha value, start value of 0, end value of 255, and duration from 1000 to 2000 milliseconds. Click OK to confirm. Handle the button events in the default state machine for Music button on the home screen and Home button on the Music screen. Export and simulate the project. And that's it. You've successfully created and implemented one-to-one view animation. Other transition effects and image sequences can also be used to enhance the animation further. We'll see you in the next video with more exciting tutorials. Thank you.